So I'm currently working at Baxter Innovations. This is located in Vienna, and I'm working as a statistician in the preclinical field. So I'm doing very much PK studies. Not PD studies right now, but probably in the future, I hope.
I work at AstraZeneca with safety assessment of drugs. It was to get a bit of insight of the PK/PD and TK/TD world.
Not only because of the title, but of course I'm very interested in PK in the background of the physiology, because I only have the numbers, you know. So I have numbers for the volume of distribution, for the clearance and something like this, but I do not really have the background of all this. And I think this course is very good for getting a background of all these measurements. I'm daily analyzing, and of course it's good to have the conjunction between PK and PD, and furthermore between TK and TD. Yes, very much, because it gave a bright overview of all the TK, TD, PK, PD modeling and approaches, and what you have to look after if you're doing such studies. So, yes.
Yes, it did. It actually exceeded my expectations. Yes, I hope so. I think this new knowledge will give me a better understanding of the results of our study reports, and also it might be able to even improve the design of the coming studies.
I hope so, because we are currently not running very much PD studies, and we are only doing TK studies, which are pretty similar to PK studies, you know. But yes, but if it comes to me that I have to do some PK/PD modeling, I will be well prepared, I think. Yes, probably. It depends on the issues that are focused.
Yes, there are actually several of the coming Safe SciMed courses that I hope to be able to participate in.
Very much. Nice people here.
It was very nice. All the people have been very nice and helpful, and we have had everything we needed. Uppsala is a very nice, cute little town. It's easy to feel like home.
Oh, it was pretty cool. Of course, there's much to learn and much to do. Even the course has ended at a day. You sit 2 or 3 hours and going through the lectures again. So I haven't seen very much of the city, but I think it's pretty.